Hey ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you are new and make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Ladies, tonight we're gonna be making a classic margarita. So I hope you're ready to get cute, relax, and join me for a drink tonight. I want you to go and put on an outfit that make you feel confident and meet me right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's gonna be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. You're gonna need patron, orange liquor, simple syrup, fresh squeezed lime juice, kosher salt, and a margarita glass. I'll be waiting. Hey girl, you back? And yes, you look popping, girl. Yes, you're popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and light my candles. You know, set the mood. Do whatever it is that you need to do to set the mood. Put on some nice smooth music. You know, like some candles. Get it set right, you know. So I'm gonna take my margarita glass and I'm gonna coat the rim. I'm gonna put some kosher salt on the rim. There we go. Set that here. Then I'm gonna take my mixer and I'm gonna fill it with ice. Got my ice. So I'm gonna take 2 ounces of Patron, 1.5 ounces of orange liquor, 40 milliliters of simple syrup, and 40 milliliters of lime juice. I'm gonna give it a shake. There we go. I'm gonna take my margarita glass and fill her up. Fill her up, yes. Then I'm gonna take a lime wedge for garnish. And there you have it, the classic margarita. Cheers. This is banging. It's strong, but it's so good. Well, ladies, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.